Once you have updated your profile, we can now start setting your services and the rates which you will charge. For this, simply go to the left menu again, click Services and Rates, which will take you to this page. Here you can set your guiding fee, transport, meals, accommodation, and equipment rental prices. Please note that you are not required to offer any of these services except some basic guiding. Any other services you wish to offer are entirely your choice. Please note as well that while you can offer all-in tours, which you will see here, these are created under tour packages in a separate tab. We will get back to that. Let's set our guiding fee as an example. Simply click the Action button on the right, which will take you here. And there you have the choice between a daily rate per person and a daily flat rate. If we set a daily rate per person of, let's say, for example, $50 for a half day and a full day of $100, we can simply update, and then you will see here pricing type per person, full day $100, half day $50. It is also possible to set a flat rate by simply clicking this toggle. Once again, setting your price, half day $100, full day $200, and then you can choose what the minimum number of participants is, for example 2, and the maximum, for example 8. This means that for 2 people, the client will pay $200 for a full day, but also for 8 people, the client will still pay $200 a day. Simply click Update again, and then we will see here, pricing type flat rate, full day rate $200, half day rate $100, minimum 2 people, maximum 8. And as you can see here, when it is green, it shows in profile. You can also choose not to show in profile. However, if you are not showing your guiding fee, then you will not receive any bookings. If you are not offering transport, if you're not offering accommodation, you can simply toggle to not show in profile. There we go. Click Update again. And while the prices don't disappear, the price will no longer, or the service will no longer show on your profile.